In this video, I'm going to show you how to create function locks or layer locks. If you want to lock your KeyMouse in a specific layer for gaming or designing, or if you want to lock it in the number pad for like a numlock or similar to a numlock, the first thing we want to do is create copies of our preset layouts. As you can see, I have done here. The presets have the QWERTY, function yellow, function blue, and I have my copies here. There's my QWERTY copy, my function blue copy, and my function yellow copy. So we'll go back to the function default or QWERTY preset. This is also called function default. And you can see here I have the function yellow key and the function blue key that will get me to the blue layer and yellow layer. So what I want to do is create a function yellow lock, and I'm going to do it on the blue layer. So the default function yellow location is here. What I'm going to do is assign that to a function yellow lock. So when I press the function blue key, which is here on the left hand by default, function blue, and then hit the function yellow key, which on the blue layer is function yellow lock. What that will do is lock it in the yellow layer, which I have my number pad on. Then what you want to do is have a function default lock. Once you're locked in the yellow layer, you got to have some way to get back to your default or QWERTY preset. So on the yellow layer, I'm going to assign, I'll just do the control key here as function default lock. That way I can get back to my default layer. My alpha layer has all my letters on it. So function blue layer, I have the function yellow lock, which will lock it in the yellow layer. And then on the yellow layer, once I'm on the yellow layer, I can function default lock back to the default layer. So you assign the keys. You can pick whichever key you want. Hit Save to KeyMouse devices. Make sure the left and the right hand are both checked. Click OK. And while this is doing the save, you want to leave the KeyMouse. Don't move it. Don't type on it. Just let it do the save. Should only take about 15 seconds, 20 seconds. As you can see, it's done here. We'll click OK. Now we'll do a test. I'm going to open Notepad here. So I'm going to type on the default layer, which is this layer, the one I have set to white. As you can see, it types fine. Now I'm going to test the function yellow lock, which is on my blue layer. I push the function blue key and then the default function yellow key location, which is assigned on the blue layer, to function yellow lock. So while I'm holding down function blue, I hit function yellow lock. Now we'll try in the notepad here. As you can see, I'm not touching the yellow or function yellow or function blue keys, and you can see it is locked in the numeric layer or the yellow layer. Now I can use my number pad however I want. Now I need to get back into my default layer, which is the white. So on the yellow layer, which I'm locked in right now, I just press function default lock. So I'm going to come back to here. I'm not going to press anything but the function default lock. Now it should be back in the default layer. As you can see as well, for caps lock is already defaulted on the blue layer. You'll press function blue and the X key. Again, you can assign that wherever you want. If you want it on the yellow layer or even the default layer, replace an Alt key or Control key or whichever you prefer.